back to Tech with TJ. Today what I got for you is just a look into my tech bag. This is what I carry whenever I go to vacation or just outside of the house and stay somewhere for a couple of days. It's mainly used for charging, sometimes, for gaming on the go, I guess, but mainly just what I carry and how I use it. But anyways, let's get into it. Alrighty guys, so the first thing I got here, these are the Hollyland microphones. It's actually what I'm using right now, but I kind of combined everything. So originally I was just going to do a little, just over this bag, but I'm just going to show you, if I'm going somewhere and I might want to make a video or something like that, this is what I bring. So I have this little light here. It's by Small Rig. It's pretty cool. It's just a little light to kind of travel around with. Then of course you got my AirPods. These are the AirPods Pro 2. Just got this little strap to them, just so that I don't lose them, to be honest with you. This is my tripod that I use with the phone mount. So it's newer phone mount. It's like a metal one. It can twist and stuff. This is by Ulanzi. It has this little deal here, which is what the light slides onto. So if I can model it for y'all real quick, like this. Well, it fell off. But anyways, as you can see, it goes on there, and pretty simple setup. Xbox controller. So like I said, I like to game, and if I'm going away for somewhere like on vacation or something like that, not hanging around family, just gives me something to game on. I bring my iPad too, so that kind of works as that. Also, I usually bring a gaming laptop too if I'm gone for like a week or more. That way I just have something to do. So that's where these come in handy. These are my Fifine HD 18s. So very comfortable headset, kind of overkill for travel, but since I do work with Fifine a lot, I can have a pretty nice headset to travel with. And now what you guys are all kind of waiting for. This is what I bring for just these short trips when I'm not traveling everywhere. I usually just have these two things. I don't travel with, of course, all the filming stuff or even an Xbox controller, or the headset, none of that. I just bring these two. So let's get into it. By the way, this is I didn't set this up to look pretty. This is straight up just what's in here. So we have this little 35-watt charger. It's got two USB-C ports, usually for my phone and some other device. This is a 65-watt charger by Anchor. Yeah, Anchor. That's for my laptop. USB-C to USB-C cable. I tend to have a lot of cables on me, but in this bag it really doesn't. I have another one that I will show off maybe in another video. This is my power bank. It's also an Anchor. It's got USB-C, USB port. It's pretty basic. Yeah, it's the 10,000 PD, so it's good to charge a phone. It won't charge like a laptop or anything like that. So then in here, like I said, sorry, this is a little messed up here, but we got this Verizon branded MagSafe charger. It's got USB-C at the end. Then we got USB-A to USB-C, because as you guys probably saw, all my stuff like my phone, iPad, even AirPods, it's all USB-C charging. So that's kind of by design. That way I don't have to carry around, multiple different cables. But yeah, that's pretty much it. All I wanted to do was show you guys, what I travel with it being summer and all. Just to give you guys a glimpse into, what I pack. I know I've seen a lot of videos where they pack tons of gear, where it's kind of crazy. It's on vacation, you're supposed to spend time with family and friends, not really focused on tech. Now, it's cool to bring tech, but yeah, that's what I just bring, and it's all in this little bag here, and it fits pretty nice. It's a little bulky, but that's pretty much it. I'll post all this stuff on Amazon using the affiliate links. I have the Amazon store front too, if you guys want to check that out. But yeah, that's pretty much going to be it for the show and tell part. All right, so yeah, like I mentioned, that's just what I bring for vacations, some maybe semi-long trips, nothing too crazy. That's for another bag, which I'll do a review on, that has like if I'm staying for maybe like more than a week or so, I have another tech bag, because I like it, I guess. I have a lot of tech. But yeah, I'll show that off in another video. This was just to show you guys, especially for like these short vacations, which I assume you guys got kind of go on during summer. That's like maybe 3 to 5 days max. What I bring. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Please hit that subscribe button, like button, comment down below, do all the YouTube things, and I'll see you in the next one.